Welcome. Today in front of me I have the ZOWIE U2 gaming mouse, wireless mouse to be exact, and today I'm going to unbox it and we'll together see what accessory it comes with. So let's begin. Let's start with peeling off this protective film so we can actually unbox it, open the box. I don't even need to take out my handy knife, since they add this very convenient part which you can just peel this film with, just like so. So inside you are going to find the mouse itself. Let's peel this film also. So you have left button, right button, scrolling wheel, two additional macros, buttons should I say. Underneath you'll see the charging port, the DPI switch, here it is, as well as the mode switch. So right now it is switched off, so here you'll find the dongle mode, switch off, or that's the wired mode here, or Bluetooth. Let's continue looking inside the box to see what accessory it comes with. Here you have this very simple manual or tutorial on how to use the mouse properly. We also get the full-fledged user guide, as well as replacement pads, those stuff, warranty, regulatory paperwork. Here, as we can tell from this graphic, or from this icon, we'll find the wire. Yep, so regular USB to Type-C wire. Looks pretty decent. The insulation is just regular rubber, nothing knitted. As far as I can see, you also get this handy, I have no idea how this thing is properly called, but you can see it in front of your eyes. What else do we have here? Yep, you also have the charging dock, or the charging station. Very convenient. So just connect it to power, of course, and you will be able to charge your mouse by simply putting it on this stand. I guess the connection should be magnetic or something, and since it is switched off, the magnet doesn't work. Yep, so that's the power station or dock station. Here is your 2.5 gigahertz dongle, as well as the Type-C to regular USB adapter. A pretty expected thing to get nowadays with the computer peripherals. What's inside this box? Let's check. It's, well, another USB to Type-C wire. I would assume that this wire is designed for dock station, and this wire, as far as I can see from the insulation type, is supposed to go into the mouse itself if you would like to use it in the wired mode, or if you would like to charge it from your computer rather than from the dock station. For example, once you are gaming or just using the mouse and it has run out of battery, but you still need to keep using it. That's why you get additional wire here. And well, as far as the accessories and all other beautiful things go, that will be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.